Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Good and fine. This is your English grammar video, and through this video we are going to learn about conjunctions. Now, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join words, phrases, or sentences. Conjunctions are words that join words, phrases, or sentences. They are also called connectors or joining words. Some commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or, and, because. Now we are going to learn about these conjunction words like and. First of all, we will learn about and. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. और इसको और किस तरीके से आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं और when you want to separate two names, for example, Rohan and Sohan play cricket. There are two boys who play cricket. You can use the conjunction word and between them like this: Rohan and Sohan play cricket. Another example: this Friday is a holiday. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. I would like to go to the fair. Added information. I would like to go to the fair. So with the help of and, we can add information in a sentence. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. We use of but to show a difference or an opposite idea. For example, I want to go to play. I want to go to play, but I am sick. What he wants? Yes. What you want? You want to go to play, but you are sick. इसमें एक boy है. In this picture there is a boy who want to play but he is very sick. So to separate these two sentences, there is a contrast between these two words. I want to go to play but I am sick. We use or conjunction to show a choice between two or more options. We use or conjunction to show a choice between two or more options. For example, is it Thursday or Friday today? Is it Thursday or Friday today? Use of because conjunction. The word because. We use because to show reason. We use because to show reason. For example, Rohan took an umbrella. Rohan took an umbrella. Why he took an umbrella? Because it was raining. So to show reason we use because. Alright? Keep in mind, some conjunctions show contrast, means opposite, like though, although, but, still, etc. Though means halanki, although means halanki or yadyapi, but, lekin, still, फिर भी. For example, though he was ill, he went to school. Though ही वॉज इल ही वेंट टू स्कूल, यद्यपि वह बीमार था फिर भी वह स्कूल गया. सम कंजक्शंस शो रीजन लाइक एज, सिंस, बिकॉज, सो एक्सेट्रा. एज मीन्स क्योंकि, सिंस तब से, और या फिर क्योंकि, बिकॉज क्योंकि, सो एक्सेट्रा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सिंस हर फीट वर हर्टिंग शी टुक ऑफ हर शूज. सिंस her feet were hurting she took off her shoes. Why she took off her shoes? Because of hurting. We also use of conjunctions to show purpose. For example, so that the example of so that she studied hard. She studied hard so that she could do well in her examinations. She studied hard so that she could do well in her examination.